in this vicinity, and she has been given this card. Let us inaugurate it. Yes. Thank you, thank you. Is the ex-Sarpanch and his family is in politics for the last 45 years.
सरपंच मोठो हा दिष्टी पडणार तो
तालियां मारा सगळ्यांना. Let's clap for him.
कार्य हो एकूच गोष्ट असतं जगा टॅक्स लागना. सो लेट्स कीप ऑन क्लॅपिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. Datta Prasad Dabolkar, Sarpanch, Dinesh, all my Panchayat members, Saluddin, the local ward member. So we have free Wi-Fi facility for the tourists to come. They can click pictures of the wonderful time they spend on the beach, eating food in the shacks or partying somewhere on the street. They can upload these pictures. They can promote this street and this lane. So to encourage more tourists to come, see we are having a fun time here. They can send these pictures all around the world, increase more people to come visit and enjoy this experience that they've had here. The next feature of this street is road safety. We have to pay a lot of attention to road safety. So you see, if you look down towards my left, you'll see solar blinkers being installed, which will show guide the vehicles. There are reflectors put up on the middle of the street. The footpaths have been cleared because a lot of obstructions were there. Saluddin had helped clear a lot of these obstructions which are obstructing pedestrians. So that entire passage has been made very safe and easy for people to walk and access. People come on the street, so we need to maintain the same characteristics. So we thought of various ideas and we were discussing, and that's when Mr. Aniket and Mr. Dugal, they got in touch with Kalangut Panchayat, saying that they would like to do a CSR project. They have worked on a lot of projects in Bangalore and in other places, but they've not done much in Goa apart from Panjim. They've done some small gardens. They want to do a big project, and we had this idea, we had this lane, and we said, come on, let's do something here. So with the Minister Michael, our Sarpanch, Zilla Panchayat member and all Panchayat members together, we sat, put down the blueprint, and today you have the Goa's first smart street of the hard work and effort of everyone over here, including the locals who gave in their suggestions and ideas, and today you have this smart street. There is a high resolution camera with movable lenses which are standing here. So the entire street is on CCTV surveillance. And yes, CCTV surveillance is connected on the internet, and the PI traffic as well as the PI will be given connectivity where you can see in the police station, even if he's patrolling elsewhere, you can see the things happening on the lane on his mobile phone. So this will give a sense of security to all the tourists and people over here. And also check on anti-social elements. They'll also get scared. We are being watched. So take care. This will give a sense of security to all the tourists visiting here, to all the locals. Also, they'll feel safe. CCTV. So we need to. This was an important feature that we said we need to bring security and safety of tourists is important, and that is why we have CCTV surveillance on this street. And all the street have beautiful poles with ambient lighting. The 4-color ambient lighting, red, blue, and green, and some other colors. So the entire lane it lights in one color. So if you see from one end to another end, it gives a beautiful ambient lighting to the entire place, to the entire lane. Also, it has 50 watts of nice warm light which brightens up the place, the street, so it looks very nice and presentable. The next feature is the beautiful digital boards that you see. As you know, we have moved on from flex boards, from posters, from paper bills to a new high-tech signboard, that is a digital board. And this digital board will have a lot of themes. Like Diwali is soon coming. then you'll have Christmas, then you'll have New Year. So we can put beautiful messages with themes, so the entire street looks colorful, vibrant, very warm and friendly. Any tourist that comes will look at it and feel part of, you know, this festival, this unique theme and design and ambience that we have put up to this place. It will bring a feel-good factor to everyone on this street. Apart from that, Ami Panchayat will put in messages reminding people, Baba, do not litter. No public drinking. Some social messages will go in. There'll be messages about enjoy the nightlife on this lane, enjoy shopping in this street. There'll be enjoy the water sports that is there on this beach of ours, the shacks, the delicious food that you can eat at the shacks. All these messages to support local businesses will come on this digital boards to help.
Village of Kalangut, which at one time was and is still considered as the queen beach of Goa, and we need to maintain it. And we need to develop more streets in Kalangut, in whole of Kalangut, just like this. And we have with us a very dynamic minister, my good friend Michael Lobo. How I wish he would have been the tourism minister of Goa. I remember mentioning this earlier to the previous chief minister as well as the present chief minister. The previous chief minister said that Michael is still young, he has years to go, and one day he will be. But I'm a bit disappointed, Michael, that till now you are not the the tourism minister of Goa, because lots can be done. And I must regret here, I can say this in my own village, that there is disappointment when it comes to what can be done in tourism. Today we are seeing a lot of domestic cruises coming to Goa, which is good. But we also need to get international tourists to Goa. And unfortunately that's not happening because there's not much push from the Goa government. The tourism minister we have approached, the chief minister we approached, and if they in turn push MHA and the home ministry, they could make have a bubble flights to Goa, where we could have flights coming at least from Russia, because the Russians are ready to travel, they are traveling to Turkey, and I'm sure they would love to travel to Goa. So I would request Michael, if he can just speak to the people concerned to make an announcement that Goa will be open for international travel from December, so that at least bookings can start in and we can start selling Goa.
I'm actually a tourist. I travel for the past decade in many countries. I'm actually a technocrat. I do have my interest in many companies, and when I say technocrat, I'm actually a technology guy. So I did my entire career working for public governance. So as Mr. Sean Martin and everybody talked about the critical importance of the public governance here, one of the main things is, as a tourist, when I'm coming to the city, am I safe? Am I respected? Am I actually recognized here? So I can see today I have an opportunity as an outsider to come and stand in front of the entire people. I probably know only few people here from the face. So that is actually called bringing together, right? As a community, we feel to be here. Doesn't matter, we're all Indians. And even though I'm from Hyderabad, my company is from Bangalore, but we do have different projects around the country. I'm actually happy to be here today. I'm actually excited and thrilled.
बाबू आजगांवकर आसूं बाकीचे कोण आसूं सगळे जाण वावुरलेले आहा. गोवा ट्युरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन हे आमचें नॅचरल, पूण हितून कितें तरी एडीड एट्रॅक्शन येवपाक जाय, डूज अँड डोंट्स आसपाक जाय. उगडास येता 2012 आख्खे कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनूच न्हू आख्खे गोंयभर आमकां कचरो दिसतालो. तेजेरूय आमी सोल्युशन हाडलें. आमी फॅक्टरीत घातली टू प्रोसेस वेस्ट. सेम वे we have to take tourism to a different level. आमकां बरे ट्युरिस्ट येताले 1990s 2000 आनी 2005सून 4सून जे ट्युरिस्ट क्वॉलिटी डिक्लायन जावपाक लागले ती आयज डिक्लायनूच आहा. थोडे इंडियन ट्युरिस्ट आमकां बरे येता, बाकीचे फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट जे हाय क्लास येताले ते येयना. वेगवेगळे रिजन आहा. मातसो पॉलिसी चेंज केली म्हणून बरे ट्युरिस्ट येवचे ना. हे आमचेर आहा, गोंयकारांचेर. बागान फामाद कोणे केले? ब्रिटोज आहा, सेंट एंटनीज आहा, बाकीचे ती 2-3 रेस्टॉरंटांनी थिंगासर 1-4-5 शेकां जी आदली फामाद शेकां ती आहा. सेंट एंटनी चलोवपी हिंगाच आहा आमचो फ्रेंड. तेणें आयज आनीक फुडें गेल्लें आहा सेंट एंटनी. म्हणजे आमच्या गोंयकारांक उमेद दिसता, आमच्या गोंयकारांक हें रेस्टॉरंट फुडें गेलें. क्लब टिटोज सदांच रिकीक सांगता हांव, डोंट एवर सेल दीस प्लेस. यू वील गेट मनी, यू वील नॉट नो वॉट टू डू विथ दॅट मनी. कितें करूं हे पयशे घेवन? Let us not sell our land which is kept by our great grandparents for us. आमच्या आदल्यांनी हे जागे दवरलेले आनी आमी इकून लंडनाक वचून सेटल जावप ओ आनी खंय कंट्रीन वचून सेटल जावप आनी थिंगा आमकां कोणूच वचना. आयज हिंगा आमी आय हॅव इंट्रस्ट टू टेक अप दॅट ट्युरिजम एज अ चॅलेंज टू ब्रिंग द रिक्वायर्ड चेंजीस. मिनिस्टर जालो म्हणून जायना, तितून काम करचें पडटलें. तेंची जी मायंडसेट आहा, स्पेशली आयज डायरेक्टर बरो मेवलो आमकां, पूण तेंची दुसरे ऑफिस स्टाफ आहा तेंची मेंटेलिटी कितें आहा? आमी ऑफिसानूच रावन काम करतले म्हणून. ऑफिसान रावन काम जायना. यू कॅन वर्क ऑन द कॉम्प्युटर. 5 people आर इनफ. The remaining have to be on the field. You have to see what is required and what is not required. What is happening in the state of Goa? How we can get the best tourist? What the world is giving? What the other country is giving? What Sri Lanka is giving the international tourist? And why we are lagging behind? This is what has to be understood. This is what has to be given to the people. आमकां एक व्हडली एजन्सी हाडपाची गरज ना. We don't have to spend money to bring one agency to decide how we are going to run the tourism. Tourism was run by all these people who are sitting over here. हे बायकीचेर फाटल्यान बसल्या आनी हिंगासर उबे आहा. हेंच्यांनी ट्युरिजम फुडें हाडलें आहा. हेंच्यांनी हे सगळे घरा लागीं होम स्टे केल्ले आहा. इतलीं वर्सां जालीं ते आपल्या घरान ट्युरिस्टांक दवरून तेजे गेस्ट हावस तयार केल्ले आहा, रिसॉर्ट्स तयार केल्ले आहा. हिंगा धाकटुले रेस्टॉरंट आहले टिटोज, तेजे आयज ब्रँड जाल्लो आहा. ब्रँड टिटोज, मॅम्बूज आनी बाकीचे सगळे तेजे रेस्टॉरंट. सो दीस इज वॉट वी हॅव डन दीस. And we don't require a specialized agency where we spend crores and crores of rupees. The government is spending crores and crores of rupees to decide how the tourism will go forward in Goa. Tourismaचो मार्ग फुडें कितें गोंयान? हेका आमी 5-5 कोटी मोडटा. म्हाका हांसूंक येता मागीर. हांवूय सरकाराचो भाग. I am also part of the government, but when I was MLA last time, government I think spent 5 crores to decide आमी टुरिजम कशें व्हरप फुडें. आनी कोण डिसायड करता? कोण तरी बेंगलोर बसला थिंगा कंप्युटराचेर आनी डिसायड करता आमी टुरिजम कशें व्हरप फुडें पळय. सी, दिस इज आवर मेंटेलिटी. दिस इज वॉट वी आर थिंकींग की कोणें तरी तें दुबयन केल्लें म्हणून आमी करप. म्हाका दिसता हें चुकीची गजाल. लेट अस ऑल वर्क टुगेदर. एंड दीस इज जस्ट द बिगिनींग आफ्टर पॅन्डेमीक. पॅन्डेमीक सोंपलें आनी तेचे फुडें आमी tourism कशें फुडें व्हरप is a big challenge. All the other countries are also trying to attract foreign tourism. What you have said is rightly right. I am following up with MHA to bring international foreign tourists to the state of Goa, and I am confident that in the month of November they will give clearance for charter flights to land into Goa. I will speak personally if required. I will take an appointment and go and meet Mr. Amit Shah or whoever is required to be met at Delhi to tell them that Goa is depending on this.